Let me show you how you guys can delete your Facebook account. You want to click on menu at the bottom of your screen and then click on the setting icon at the top of your screen. Then you want to click on see more in account center option over here. And then you want to click on personal details option over here. Then you will see account ownership and control. Click on that as well. And then you will see deactivate or deletion option. Click on that. Click on your Facebook profile which you want to delete and click on delete account and click on continue. And as you guys can see, if you delete this, all these things will be deleted. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Click on any one of these reasons and click on continue. Click on continue. And from over here, scroll a bit down and click on continue. And enter the password of your account and click on continue. And your Facebook will be deleted after 30 days. Now make sure to not log in into your Facebook account within those 30 days, because if you do that, your deletion process will be cancelled. But let go or do not log in into your Facebook account for 30 days and it will be deleted. Hope I was able to help you guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.